Well, top of the morning to you, garden friends. Welcome back. I got a great, hey Bear. Bear says good morning as well. I got a great garden update video for you today. A little project update, actually. So about 2 months ago, I built a project here on this channel, did a little video. It's a mini succulent vertical wall. So, so a little wall of succulents, but a miniature one, just like the one we have built back at school, but one that might be small enough for you to build yourself and have at home on a fence or on another wall that you might choose. So if you want to see that video, I got that linked up in the corner above. You can click on that if you want to watch me build it. But you know what? It's been about 2 months, and just to show you that it didn't just look good the very first day and then died. You ever see that? You see projects oftentimes on the internet, and you look at it and you go, man, that looks great. Man, they finished up. It looks awesome. And then you always wonder, I wonder how it actually grew. If that project, if that wall of plants or whatever special project you're looking at, how did it end up? What happened over time? Well, let's find out. All right, so after 2 months, let me get a wider back view. You can see that it is trailing down. Sometimes hard to see in the shadows there, but you can see after 2 months, the plants are growing in really nicely. Everybody's being kind to each other, although those aeoniums there, I had to prune back just a little bit because they're shading out a lot of the other plants. But now that they've been pruned just a hair, we've got a little bit more space in there to operate. You can see the string of bananas are doing really well. That donkey tail's looking killer. Got, what is it, some pork and beans, right? Some little sedums in there and whatnot. So there's a lot of good variety in there. Tons of plant diversity, biodiversity and whatnot in this little container, but they're doing great. I water them about once a week now, but now that it's warming up, I might actually go to twice a week. And I think having a twice a week is going to make a massive difference in keeping it saturated and moist, because although they are succulents, they do want to stay moist. They don't want to ever dry out completely and stay dry for too long, especially since they're in such a small amount of soil. But although it looks really good now, I think we can improve it. So I have a little surprise for you, for the viewer. I went out and bought something to add to this so we can doctor it up, make it look a little prettier. And guess what? It only cost about $2.50. So for about $3, let's see if we can give this planter a $3 upgrade. And you tell me in the comments below if you think it was worth it, if you think it looked better, if I overpaid the $3. All right, Bear says he's ready. Let's get to it. So for $2.50, not a bad upgrade, I think, personally. Gave it a little frame, a little protection. There's still some things we can do to improve it, but I might even actually put a frame around it and make it look more like a picture frame like we have on some of our other styles. But you know, it just kind of encapsulates it a little better. I think gives it a better finished look. I don't know, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. How do you think you would do it if you have a better idea? But you can see, look at those strings are almost on the ground, completely touching those heuchera. But yeah, not too bad. I thought that was a little nice little upgrade, a good 2-month checkup. We'll come back in a few more months to see how it's looking, see how it makes it through the summer. This area, just so you know, it gets some morning sun and some afternoon shade, partial light. Not too bad. All right, from our garden to yours, happy gardening, best wishes, and we hope to see you soon. Take care now. Bye-bye then. If you happen to enjoy this video or liked it or just didn't like it, either way, dig into that like button, subscribe with us. We'd love to have you back for more gardening action.